back to my channel. This is Lifestyle with Ola, where I talk about lifestyle, luxury, fashion, and fitness, and everything in between. And in today's video, I'm bringing to you a video. I think I did say that I had purchased a Brandon Blackwood bag. I usually try to do a one in, one out. And I recently had sold one that I think didn't fit my lifestyle, and it was kind of too small for me. So I traded that in, and when a new I put myself on a list for Brandon Blackwood alerts. So on his website, when the new bag came up, I got a notification and I saw it. I actually wanted a bag. I think I had seen the black bag in a brown or black, but I was, I put both. I put a brown and black in my cart, and as soon as I tried to go check out one, I was only allowed to check out with one, and so I checked out with that one, and I'm so glad that I got it. And the bag arrived, and there's another bag that I've always wanted. I wish I had purchased this particular bag when it was, because I was like, that small tiny bag, what can it fit? It's the Bottega Veneta Mini Jodie, and the initial color that I wanted, and I thought, why would I buy that small thing? And I'm a big girl kind of energy kind of bag, big girl and big bag energy kind of person. And so I kind of put it off until, I think I said in one of my videos, when one of my favorites, I bought a Amazon bag that it's like a dupe for the Mini Jodie, but it's made by Amazon on the drop. So I purchased that bag. I'm wearing my ring wrong, but you guys can enjoy it. I purchased that bag and I enjoyed it so much, so I knew that the Mini Jodie will fit for me. So without ranting up and down, let's get to it. So I think so that we can all see it properly, I'll change the camera. Okay, so this is how the bag comes. Let me see. The box comes. Usually comes with a card. Just want to be sure that my name is not on it. And it comes signed, and that's a good thing about it. It has the Brandon Blackwood, New York, and it comes signed. It says, "Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new piece and can't wait to see how you style it. Love, Brandon." I mean, I think that's kind of genius for that. I love the fact that they have that on the bag. So that's that for. So I'm gonna put that away. And it comes in this box. See how lovely this box looks. And it comes with a foam. I already opened the bag just to be sure that everything goes well. And it comes here in this, there's a foam padding in the bag so that it stays secure. And it comes with this. This is how luxurious bags should be made and handled. And so the bag also has that. I got the brown, so the black is the one that got away, and I think I kind of like the brown better. It is what it is. So this is the bag, and it has the bamboo right there, bamboo effect. It has Brandon Blackwood, New York, and it has a long adjustable strap. It has I love the gold, the antique gold hardware about it. And it's one of those bags where you can take out. You can usually wear it out as this, or you can wear it crossbody to casual it up. And so it has the magnetic closure in there. It has a front pocket right there, which has the documents for it, I'm thinking. So it has that. Oh, the tags are still there. And it has Brandon Blackwood. It has that tag. Let me see a bit of what it says. It says, let's see. It says all products are created one by one by our craftspeople. Each bag has been produced by unique technique, special treatment, and hand finishing. Please handle with care to maintain quality and material by minding instructions or notes we mentioned below. So it has all of that on there. What else? So let me try to attach this so now I can put it on my shelf, and I'll try and so that's that. And also that's that. So let me move the camera a bit, and that way we can, you know, still see a bit of my face. Not like you came here to see my face anyways, but that's the bag. Let's see what fits inside, because that always matters most. Most times I'm always more about as long as my card case fits in my, you know, yeah, my card case and or my wallet. So I have the small wallet from Louis Vuitton, and it's that, I'm not even sure what the name is, but that's what I have. So I'm gonna take the tags out. Let's do this again. So I have my wallet in here. I have my card case. I usually have it packed. It has my business card and my business cards and some cards I get from people so that I don't lose them. This is why I put business cards, and that it can fit that. Let me see. I'm trying to figure out where I put my phone. Okay, I have my iPhone here, and if I didn't put like those in there, it still fits it though. Let's see. It can fit my iPhone. It fits my iPhone conveniently, and I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max, I think. So I think that's about it. I mean, without kind of stuffing it too much, that's what it will fit. And on a normal day, I wouldn't even put my phone. I try to hold on to my phone really. So if I was to put that in there, so I probably would just use it as a night out bag, and you know, I want to bring my AirPods, and so put that in there, and so that way I can have my phone, hold on to my phone. And I usually on a day-to-day would carry my mini pochette. I've had this for a while now, but I know it's not gonna fit, so that's that. So it's a more of a you know, going out. This will be more of a going out bag for me, or if I do take it out as casual, I would just put my necessities in there and hold on to my phone. So that's that for the Brandon Blackwood bag. And so let's I'll try and, so here's the Brandon Blackwood, and first shoulder length, this is what it looks like on me. By the way, I'm wearing this. It's a Ramaran sweater. I really love it. It's a Mohair one. I've just finished eating, and I'm wearing my Mason Margiela cut off, you know, side jeans, and of course, I'm not sure you can see my Valentino slides. It's still very cold outside, but because it's a bit warm inside. Okay, I think this is better. So this is what the sandals look like, and I have to figure out the camera angle for this. So this is what that bag looks like on me. And so if I wear it with the straps, I'm actually gonna wear it crossbody. So because that's my style when I don't want to hold into anything. And if I'm wearing top handle, this is what it looks like on top handle. So it depends on how I'm carrying it. Hopefully, you know, it's showing it. So that's that for the Brandon Blackwood. So the next item I purchased is the Mini Jodie. Like I said, I got it from Selfridges. That was the only place that had it on sale. I wouldn't say it's sale, but I'm not sure if it's the old version or for this particular color. they added at the original price, you know, and even with duties and taxes, it still came lower than or cheaper than, you know, what is currently sold for here, and even the resale market, or you know, the fashion files, the real reels and Reebok and all of that. So this is our Selfridges. They put their own bag in there, their own dust bag, and it comes with this dust bag. It has the green bag, so I'm thinking this must be like the old ones, and this is it right there. So it has that, it has Selfridges, and this is what it looks like. So I really, you know, I've really been, you know, seeing it everywhere, and I thought, oh, that small bag, what was it gonna fit? Do I really need it? And really, I think after, you know, having the Amazon dupe one, this will really actually match my closet properly. So I'm gonna try and see what fits into this. So let's bring out the things I had in my random Blackwood bag out and try to fit it in. So I'm gonna put my wallet. It's the small wallet from Louis Vuitton. My cat case from MS. That's in there. My AirPods. That fits also. My AirPods fits. Let's see. Also, so now is when I'm gonna try and see if, you know, all my other things will fit, so that if I wanted to use it as a day-to-day bag, my iPhone 13 Pro Max, I think that's what it is, that's in there. So my phone fits conveniently with room, and it fits sideways really. And so I'm gonna try and put my mini pochette from Louis Vuitton in there, because I usually have my I have this as a catch-all in my bigger wallet, bigger bag, so it has like a little lotion, lip gloss, and all those other things I know that I'll need, and sometimes tissue and a mini hand sanitizer. So let's see. So that fits. Let's see. It fits, but let me bring out my phone because I don't want to scratch anything in there. So I'm gonna bring out my phone. So my mini pochette fits conveniently. Yeah, my mini pochette fits properly. So yeah, I could, you know, let's see. Let me try to put this properly. I should put the mini pochette first. So that's that. Okay, so now that the mini pochette is there, I'm gonna add my wallet, bag, and my card case, and that fits really well. And I'll hold on to my phone. So even though this bag is really, you know, looks really small, it does, you know, pack a punch. It packs a lot, and I can usually, you know, I can put my phone in there like that. But I don't want to struggle to bring it out. That's the thing. So I probably will hold on to my phone. So just like that, you know, this is what this fits, even though it's small. If I didn't want to take my mini pochette with me, then I wouldn't bring that. So I now put the Bottega Mini Jodie, and I'm just showing you what it looks like on me. I can either carry like that, hold on to the Mini Jodie. So, and my earrings are from Jacquemus. I really love them. I have another one from Jacquemus, but they're very huge and heavy actually, but this is not. This I love, and it's not heavy. Thank you for tuning into my channel, and thank you for the support I've received on this channel. Thank you for the support I've received on this channel. I really appreciate your love, your support, your viewership, everything that you know, how you've been supporting me on this channel. And I know that I have, you know, great content coming. You know, I'm trying to put together my March favorites. I already have a list for that. My spring essentials. You know, now that I've cleared out my closet and taken things out, I've put some stuff on Poshmark, and so I've written down a list of items that I'm missing in my closet, or that where the gaps are. You know, it's always good to do the clear outs, and that way you can say, you know, this didn't work for me, but it will work in somebody else's life, so put it up for sale. So I usually would, you know, send items to Poshmark, the real or fashion file. And then once I get the money, because I have a list of what items that I know that is missing, I now begin to, and I have a list of my wish list also. I now begin to, you know, tick the boxes once I sell things off, because I always like the idea of, you know, one in, one out. That way I know I'm not spending too much, or I'm not taking too much space. So again, thank you for tuning into my channel, and until next time, stay blessed. Bye.